Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that order defined integrity credit token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing according to the white paper. Order defined integrity credit ODIC is a BNB smart chain based utility token designed as the cover economic and governance assets for the SEEK Web4 ecosystem, a platform focused on AI driven communication and privacy. Purpose: it aims to translate individual digital integrity and contribution into a tradable assets, serving as a global wealth passport within its ecosystem. Technology: it operates as a BEP20 token with a fixed supply and uses a unique response pool mechanism intended to automate value stabilization and profit distribution. Tokenomics: its 1 trillion token supply is allocated across market rewards, a logged, a logged stabilization pool, and development funds governed by a multi-signature security model. Order defined integrity credit project audited by Ceritic. ODIC token total supplies 1 trillion and circulating supplies around 269.05 billion ODIC token. ODIC token is listed on PancakeSwap V2 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.